Laser therapy treats the underlying cause of pain and promotes healing. Let's go check it out. Dr. Joe, we've been hearing about this new therapy called laser therapy. It's supposed to promote healing. What is laser therapy?
You know, laser therapy is actually a type of light therapy. The laser is just the preferable instrument to deliver the light. What it does is very interesting. Just like plants can absorb energy directly from sunlight, they found that there are things within the cells of the body that do the same thing. They will absorb the light directly from the laser. And the cell reproduces, which is healing. It creates new cells.
So what type of patients do you use this on?
Really for almost any kind of pain.
And what sort of results are you seeing with this type of treatment?
There are certain areas of the body that I can treat now that were much more difficult.
Sure.
For example, if you have liver disease or kidney disease and you can't take certain medications, people with pacemakers that can't use electrical therapies, there's all kinds of applications for people, young and old, who have other conditions because this is so safe.
We'd love to see how it works. Will you show us?
Let's go.
Perfect, thanks.
Bye.
So Dr. Joe, how does this laser therapy work?
Well, here's what we do. We start by taking the head of the laser right here.
Okay.
And this is off, and the key is off so we can look at it, but normally you would not want to look directly at this because of damage to the eyes. And what you'll see in there are these 4 heads, and then one in the center. The reason we have one in the center is because the other 4 are at a frequency of light you can't see, so we wouldn't even know if it's on.
Okay.
So they put one in the center that's red just to tell you that the laser is on. And then what we do is we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. Why don't you roll up your sleeve? And was it your wrist you said?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. And like I said, you really won't feel much of anything. Now, if we were working up around your face, we'd have to put goggles on you, just shades.
Okay.
But around the wrist is really completely safe.
So just put it down.
So you just put it down, and we turn it on. And just hold it right up against your skin, and it's on right now.
It's doing something?
It's doing something right now, yep. It's actually driving the light down into the tissues of your wrist. And we'll just hold it, we call that spot.
Okay.
But then after, depending upon the site, we'll start doing what we call painting. So we just go around and try and get into that joint from every single angle that we can. The laser will beep about every 10 seconds to keep me aware of what the dosage is.
Okay.
But it'll shut itself off after just 2 minutes anyway, just as a safety feature. And that's really all there is to it. Now, you should feel almost nothing, or you might feel a little warmth.
I don't feel anything.
Don't feel anything except, the head moving, and that's desirable.
Okay.
Like I said, too much warmth is not a good thing when we're trying to get the light down into the joint.
This really is so easy and painless.
That's exactly right. That's all there is to it. And if I just pull it away a little, you can just see that red light is on there. And then we just shut it off here.
If you want to find out more about this treatment or other types of therapies, you can get a hold of Dr. Joe at ferezyclinic.com or give him a call.